In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Stripe to Base44. So you can start accepting payments, subscriptions, or donations directly through your app. So first thing you need to do is open your app for which you want to connect Stripe. So I'm gonna, for example, open this business flow. Now to connect Stripe, what you need to do, you can, in this chat box, type something like integrate Stripe. I'm gonna press enter. Now Base44 will give us some options how we can integrate Stripe. Yes, as you can see, the option 1 is backend functions. This is the recommended and I think the best one. Then manual data import and request integration. So in this video, I'll show you this option 1. So what you need to do is go to dashboard, click on settings, then click on app settings. And from here, scroll until you see backend functions and then click activate. As you can see, success, backend actions activated successfully. But keep in mind, to activate backend functions, you need to have at least builder plan. So if you don't have one, you are not going to be able to do this. Now, once your backend functions are enabled, now we can ask him like, create me subscription for this site, like $5 per month. I'm gonna press enter. Now what Base44 wants from us is our Stripe secret key and Stripe webhook secret. So how you can get this, go to Stripe and in the search bar type developers and then choose these developers API keys. And from here you can see your secret key and publishable key. And you need to copy this secret key, copy it, then go back to Base44 and paste it here. Now what we need to do is to get webhook. So go back to Stripe and in the search bar type webhooks. And you can click on this create a webhook if you don't have one. So I'm gonna create new. And from here you can fill these details. So I'm gonna keep my account. And then what we need to do is choose from these events. So for example, I can click on checkouts, select all checkout events and billing events, billing portal. And what more? We can also select coupon. Payment method. You can choose whatever you want from here and then click continue once you are ready. And then choose webhook endpoint, click continue. Then choose destination name, for example, test. So in the endpoint URL, you can paste your Base44 domain. I'm going to paste it here. You can fill your description and then click create the destination. And as you can see, this is your webhook. So I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna paste it here and click on submit secrets. Now we need to wait until the Base44 create our subscription. So be patient. Now as you can see, the Base44 created our $5 per month subscription. Now we can test it. As you can see, there is this subscription button. So I'm gonna click on it. And from here, I can view pricing plans. So there is this $5 per month. You can also customize all of these features. And then click on subscribe now. This should redirect us to Stripe payments. But as you can see, it's loading and I think it's not going to load. So what you need to do is click on publish and click on publish app and we will test it on live version. So now I need to sign through my business flow. So I'm gonna sign through Google account. Now once we are signed in our site, I'm gonna test it again. Click on subscription, then view pricing plans and subscribe now. And as you can see, it's working. This is the Stripe payments. Here you need to fill your card details, and here you can pay the $5 subscription on your site. So that's how you can connect Stripe to Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.